Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, you'll learn how to generate custom word lists using AI in just a few clicks. From your teacher dashboard, open the Word Lists menu and select the Custom Word List tab. You'll need a group to save your lists into. You can use one you've already created or create a new one by clicking New Group for Lists and giving it a name. Once you're inside a group, click Generate with AI. At the top of the form, you'll notice two configuration modes: Global and By List ranges. Global applies the same theme and word type settings to all lists at once. That's what we'll use in this video. By List ranges lets you define different focus areas and word types for each span of lists, which is great for more structured curriculum planning. In Global mode, start by describing what you want your list to focus on. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, instead of science words, try 5th grade science words about ecosystems and food chains. Next, set how many lists you want to generate and how many words each list should contain. Then choose the word type. Click Next to move on. Here, select the grade level for your students and choose a difficulty: Basic for foundational words, Intermediate for grade level academic vocabulary, or Advanced for more challenging content. Click Next. One more time. This step is optional but powerful. Here you can add words the AI must include, words to avoid, and custom instructions pre-filled from your AI configuration settings. When you're ready to proceed, you'll see exactly how many AI credits this will use in your current balance, so there are no surprises. Click Yes, Generate, and the AI will build your list automatically. Once the lists appear, take a moment to review them before saving. You can rename any list or remove individual words that don't fit. When everything looks good, click Save and Import. Your new list will appear immediately in your custom word list, ready to be assigned to students or edited at any time. And that's it. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.